Hi, this is Sandra from the Grey Goose Gourmet Kitchen here in Wayne, Maine. And today I'm going to show everyone how I make salad dressing using our pepper jellies. Have a lot of varieties of pepper jellies, and one of our favorites and most popular is the ginger pear. It makes amazing salad dressing, and it's so easy because you have so many of the ingredients already in the jar, including nice ripe pears from our backyard, generous neighbor, and this is a really fresh batch. So I want to show you. It's simple, easy, and here we go. So I've got my ginger pear pepper jelly. I need just any jar. I'm going to make a small batch. I love fun jars. This is kind of an octagon, six-sided, hexagon, five-sided, whatever that might be. Anyway, this is the jar I'm going to use, but you can use any jar. Here's a nice ball jar, which is really pretty. Not that that matters. Depends on how you're going to use it. So anyway, this is how I'll start. Take my ginger pear, fresh jar. Look at that. Beautiful. I usually use 3 parts jelly to 1 part, oop, right in the jar, yay, here we go. 3 parts jelly, 1 part oil, 1 part vinegar. So kind of a 3-1-1, but vary it however you'd like. And you can also touch it up with a little salt and pepper. But otherwise, the ginger in here comes through so nicely too. So I've got some nice oils here. Flavored oils and vinegars are perfect, but you can surely use just red wine vinegar. You could use balsamic vinegar, just something, or a white balsamic. Here I have from a wonderful shop in Boothbay Harbor, Maine, and it's lemon infused olive oil. And I just love these. They have beautiful products. So I'm going to put in some of my oil, and I'm going to put in about 1 part oil. And again, you have to kind of eyeball it a little bit. You're really going to work towards what your palate likes. You can always add a little more. And then I've got blackberry ginger balsamic, and this is the dark balsamic, and it's absolutely fantastic. So we're going to add some of that. There we go. I love the balsamic, so I'm definitely generous on the balsamic. So I want to just take the spoon. It will not be going back into that jar. So just going to mix here this a little bit. So the other thing you can do is add a white balsamic versus the dark. But of course, once it's mixed in the salad, it really doesn't matter. So here we go. Put this down, get my lid on, and then we're going to give it a good shake. The best part, to get these all blended nicely together. So here we've got a really dark color, but again, it's not going to really matter. Let me just get a little of the vinegar off my hands here. So it is as simple as that. Now, again, this is our ginger pear. We have a strawberry peach basil. I've got a ginger peach. We have, oh gosh, even the original pepper jelly works beautifully in the salad dressings. It really becomes whatever your preference is. And I have over 18 varieties on my website for purchasing. So here's the dressing. Yum. And I happen to have made up a little salad here. Let's just drizzle a little bit on. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so good. This is thick. The balsamics definitely are thicker. And mix this in a little bit. And of course I'm going to have to taste test this. Oh, I should have put a little more on, but that's all right. Oh, it's so good. Let's see here. So we got a little spinach, some cuke, some tomatoes, some nuts and seeds. Oh, delicious. Oh my gosh. I get that little hint of ginger. Definitely the blackberry comes through. I love the sweetness of the balsamics. Oh, it's so good. So anyway, these I'm going to be available on the website, greygoosegourmet.com. Again, I have about 18 varieties. You can get the jellies, and again, use any of your vinegars, but I will get something for you here. I don't want to show you something I have created for the holidays. This is a little salad dressing gift set. I've got an oil and vinegar, the same 2 that I had here and then I just used. And you've got 2 little mini 2-ounce jellies, a ginger pear, and our original Mother's Family recipe that started the business. A cute little tag with a little spoon and a fork, and on the back is the directions how to make the salad dressing. It's nicely wrapped. It's got business card on the bottom, so it gives it a little extra support, but isn't that the cutest? What a nice holiday gift this could be, or a gift for any time, and could also be a nice stocking stuffer. So anyway, check these out. They're on our website. Follow us on YouTube. We've got a YouTube channel, again, Grey Goose Gourmet, and Instagram and Facebook. I'm doing posts all the time, letting people know what's happening, especially with the holidays approaching, but really any time of the year. So anyway, thank you so much for following. This is Sandra again from the Grey Goose Gourmet Kitchen here in Wayne, Maine. And I hope you have an opportunity to make some of this wonderful salad dressing and share it with family and friends. Thank you so much again. Take care. Bye.